Kawasaki has once again piqued the curiosity of sport bike enthusiasts. Following various leaks and global model updates, the 2026 Kawasaki Z650S has been widely discussed as one of the most exciting naked sport bikes in the 650 cubic centimeters class. With an increasingly aggressive design, modern technology, and a proven engine character, this motorcycle is said to be ready to become a serious contender in the mid-range street fighter segment. Based on various circulating information, the 2026 Z650S still maintains Kawasaki's signature Sugomi design philosophy. The front end looks sharper with a modern LED headlight, while the muscular tank and sleek body give the impression of a larger-than-life bike. The full-color TFT display and smartphone connectivity also remain key attractions. Beneath its exterior, the 2026 Z650S is expected to retain its 649 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, renowned for its responsive mid-range performance. This engine is a favorite among many riders due to its combination of power, efficiency, and easy handling, perfect for both daily use and weekend touring. One of the most highlighted improvements is the Kawasaki Traction Control (KTRC) system, a color TFT instrument panel, and the integration of the Radiology app. This combination of features makes the Z650S even more modern and able to compete with Japanese and European rivals. This is a rumor that is starting to generate buzz. Some observers predict that Kawasaki could develop a mild electrified or even hybrid version for the Z family in the future, following the innovations the manufacturer has already made with other models. While there has been no official confirmation, if true, the Z650S could be one of the first naked sport bikes in its class to combine gasoline performance and electrification. This speculation remains limited to predictions and has not yet been announced by Kawasaki.